Hey everyone, having issues with sound during Messenger audio calls on Android? This problem can happen due to permission errors, audio settings, or simple app glitches. No worries, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix it, step by step. So without any delay, let's get started. Solution 1. Check your volume settings. While you're on the call, press the volume up button. Make sure media volume is turned up, not just ringtone or alarm. If you're using Bluetooth or wired headphones, disconnect and test with your phone speaker. Solution 2. Check microphone and speaker permissions. Open your phone settings. Scroll and tap on apps. Find and tap on Messenger. Tap permissions. Ensure both microphone and camera are allowed. Solution 3. Check Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down your notification panel. Make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. Once off, restart the Messenger and try the call again. Solution 4. Clear Messenger cache. Open settings on your phone. Go to apps and tap on Messenger. Tap on storage and cache. Tap clear cache. Reopen Messenger and place a test call. And that's it. If your Messenger audio calls weren't working properly, one of these quick fixes should do the trick. If this video helped you, go ahead and like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a useful tech tutorial. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I always read and reply. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.